how can I identify whether a specific sale came from PPC, an influencer, or another source? The easiest for you to define if it came from PPC or another source is simply going to be look into your PPC sales. Are your PPC sales existent? If yes, it means that it's highly likelihood that it could be a PPC sales. Now look into, are you not running ads at all? Then it's clear that it's outside traffic. So I'm just exaggerating right now so you can understand the way how I'm thinking of things, to simplify as much as possible without going into too much technical stuff. Then if it's a PPC sales, now you know that it's from PPC, right? Second thing, what you would look into is it organic or PPC? Because then you have at least an understanding of it comes from PPC or it's from an external source. So let's say it's external, but it can also mean that your PPC sales transitioned into organic sales, because now that you're bringing more eyeballs to the listing, you are going to show up higher and higher on the first page, right? So you don't want to go into the extreme, okay, it's for sure not Amazon related and not brought by Amazon. So we would look into, okay, is it PPC? Is it organic? And the easiest way for you to see if it's organic or not, usually what we're seeing on our end is pull your search term reports and see which are the terms that you're converting the highest for. It might be also search terms that you are not even targeting. However, your customers are typing in the search bar whenever they're finding and buying your product. So that way, at least you can understand, hey, this is a search term that is highly relevant for your product. Let me open up in incognito page and see where am I currently ranking on that search term. And what you can also find out very easily is, organically, are you ranking high for the search term? Because then what could happen is that, yes, PPC generated sales for the specific search terms, but now that search term brought you higher on the first page organically. So that would be the first step. Now, when it comes down to influencer or another source, look up Amazon attribution. It should be showing you exactly if it's an external source. Either it's an influencer, Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever ads would be running. Those are also some of the things that I would be looking into. Without clear data, there's no way for you to find out this. My question is, why do you want to find out this information? Is it really significant in sales? Most of the time what I'm seeing, very many brands, they're just getting their time and focus and attention scrambled by all these things. If you have proof that something works really well, that is not PPC, and it's bringing, let's say, 20, 30, 40% additional revenue, that is when I would look into, okay, so what is it? Because if it's not bringing that much revenue, what you might end up with is this new shiny object that you're chasing that actually maybe it's not it. So what we know so far is by running ads for brands is that ads is something that 100% is going to generate sales for you if your listing is optimized, if your price is competitive, if you have good reviews, it's going to help. Now, whatever it's external, you would look into what is the percentage that this is contributing. Because if it's a higher percentage, okay, let me double down on that. Let me find out exactly what is going on there. That would be my thought process.